Buongiorno paesani! Che meraviglia! Siamo a 419 sottoscritti su YouTube. È una cosa incredibile. We are at 419 subscribers on YouTube. This is overwhelming. It's amazing. You guys, you over there, you are fantastic. You are wonderful. You're showing me your support. You're showing me that you enjoy my videos. You're showing me that you want me to continue doing the videos. And here I am making another video. If we continue like this, we will be able to do a live feed. Well, I will be able to do a live feed from our gala, so you can see the entertainment, the food, and everything that's going on that night, all for the benefit of the Cedars Cancer Hospital Foundation, as well as the Lighthouse for Children in Palliative Care. Guys, these are foundations that are very dear to me. Cancer affects us all. We've lost some family members, friends to this disease. Others have survived, and God bless them for their fight. And then we have children in palliative care who are suffering on a daily basis, and unfortunately, due to the disease that they're fighting, their lives have been cut short. So let us raise some funds to give them a bit of happiness in the few days that remain in their lives. And so I'm so privileged to be able to participate in raising these funds for all these children and for these causes. On that note, chi ha la parola siciliana? La parola siciliana catalogisa è cirottu. Chi è il cirottu? It is shoe wax. In Italian, it's called cera per le scarpe. You know, back in the day when your father had to go out to an event and his shoes were a little puffed up, you would get a brush with some like black tar and they would scrub it on the shoes and then wipe it nice and the shoes would come out sparkly and looking brand new. Well, that's il cirottu, la cera per le scarpe. Nowadays we don't use it so much because we just throw out the shoes and get a new pair. But on that note, la parola siciliana hoy è cirotto. In Italian, cera per le scarpe, and in English, shoe wax. So that's it for today. I thank you all very much from the bottom of my heart for subscribing. Please continue to subscribe and share, and encourage your friends, your family members, your co-workers, your neighbors, people on the street. Just tell them to subscribe so we get to 500. Così potremo vedere tutto al vivo. It is going to be a wonderful event. We are coming closer and closer with every passing day, and the preparations are happening. So I'm very honored, like I said before, to be part of this organization, and with your support we will continue to do more of them. So, come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu!